Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for being here at my YouTube channel, which is called Postcard Marketing 2019. The reason for that, for all you who are brand new here today, I'm teaching the best techniques of postcard marketing 2019. In other words, for the year, the whole year, even though it's 2020 now, we're looking back at last year at all the best types of advertising out there concerning the postcard marketing. Postcard marketing, obviously, is direct mail. Direct mail plays a very big part of this. We buy our leads from direct mail lead suppliers. They're professionals from over the years, because direct mail was the first system ever invented, of course, except word of mouth or what have you, or hand delivering a flyer or a letter. But the postal system has come a long way since then. Now, so we use Postcard to get our first advertisement out. We get it to these direct mail business opportunity buyers, and that's what we're looking at. We don't want any business opportunity seekers. That's not good enough. They seek them without buying. The most exclusive, most powerful, most converting, targeted traffic that I've ever found in my whole life, which is what you need to be success in anything to do with marketing. You have to have leads that convert. You have to have traffic, and good traffic. Traffic is traffic that converts. So to go on, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe, because I put out these videos weekly, and we've come a long way. I think this is Postcard Marketing training video number 18. It's hard to keep track of them by now. But yeah, we're getting up there now. And there was one program that I've disbanded from my channel, so to speak. I just left it up there as an example for how some of the other ones work. And that was called Elite. I don't do business with Elite. The Elite Unlimited Mailing Club, that's no longer a part of my system. I've washed my hands with those. But what we're talking about right now, I'm actually doing a big, powerful campaign with the Cash Club Fund. Mr. John Stalvey, he's the owner and manager of that situation. I don't know how one man could do that. That would just be doomed for me. But this man handles it great, very transparent, handles emails. When you get orders and things for the free kits, he'll send them out. He'll send you an email message that they've sent out. And I think I explained in the last video, I had ordered some cards, some of the postcards, and I'm going to show you a picture. Well, you can see it in the background here. I already put that up for you. And it's taking a little bit of problem. I want to know how long it's going to take. Immediately, he got back with me in the email mentioning he had a problem with his cutter. So anyways, then after that, he went ahead and sent them out 3-day priority. And guess what? That's right. He emailed me on the very day that he sent them out and let me know when they would arrive within 3 days. So I just thought that was really powerful. Now the reason so without Elite marketing, without that one, I considered this Cash Club Fund the most powerful program out there for postcard marketing in all of the year 2019. Talk about direct mail combined with online advertising. This is just spectacular. Now, I did have some bad news that I was investigating. I went to set up the Aweber account. I've been talking about how powerful it is to use an autoresponder. for your leads to go ahead and get them to see your offer more than once, many times in fact. And they're oftentimes overwhelmed with emails, so they just skim right over emails. But you email them enough, they'll see your email, they'll open it. Lots of times they'll simply forget, and so you want to remind them. So autoresponder is very important. I went to hook up the Aweber yesterday. I was very, very upset. You know, I was using that for the global profit systems, and that was set up by Guru Ben Martin. And when we went through that, I was hoping that program would still be here, because that way I could transfer that training, those video trainings, to you. At any rate, Ben and Angie got married, so they kind of got out of that situation. They're just doing programs where they don't have to do the customer service thing anymore. So Ben and Angie, congratulations. Anyways, I tried putting in the Aweber myself, and I got up to step 3, and I go, I don't remember any of that. I thought this was like plug and play. Well, that's how easy Ben had it set up. For everything else I've used Aweber for, it's already come with the program set up and what have you. So, anyways, I call up customer service, or we're doing the chat line thing. Come to find out, they're not doing business with the this particular program. They feel it's too much like a crowdfunding. Well, I said, you know, we know cash gifting is against the law for what it is, etc., but crowdfunding certainly is not. They have products and services that they're offering for every level of upgrade. Well, they don't do those neither, so they're not going to do this program. So I was very upset. But I'll tell you what, I'm still going to do this program anyway, even without the autoresponder. What that means is I'm going to have to email every single person. If I get, you know, if I get, say, 900 people who don't sign up and 100 people, I'm going to be emailing by hand the other 900. Because that's how powerful the email is to get them to convert into buyers. I decided a couple reasons go through with the program even without the autoresponder. Because a lot of these people, if they don't see this channel, if they don't see this training, they're not going to do it anyway. So they're going to take it straight out of the box, business out of the box, so to speak, like a beginner. And they're just going to go ahead and order these cards up here that you see on the screen, kind of in front of me, behind me, however you view it. And they're going to order the cards. They're going to mail out the cards just like that. They're going to buy the list. They're not going to deal with the autoresponder. So I'm going to lose a lot of money because of that. Why? Because the more money that you make, the more money I make. It's all about commissions. And if I'm not making good money, there's a reason for that. Either I didn't teach you right, or you're lazy or something. So, but anyways, there's still some more reasons why I want this program, no matter what. Now, I told you I was doing a big, big promotion. 1,000, a mailing of 1,000. Okay? It's going to go out for St. Patrick's Day. Some of you, if you're from outside my country, you don't know what that is, but believe me, it's a big holiday. They use green for that holiday. I'm not going to go into the tradition, what all that means. We'll run out of time, and there's some religious connotation to it. So anyways, I got green envelopes to put the cards in. Rather than mailing the cards straight out like postcards, I'm just not going to put the postage on them. I'll put them inside the green envelopes and say, Happy St. Patrick's Day on the outside of the envelope, and so on and so forth. I'm hand addressing every single envelope. No labels. So when these people get this, it's going to look like, oh, Callahan, he sent me a St. Patty's Day card. How nice. He opens it up, and as he flips it over to open it, on the back I've written, Lucky Day. He opens it up, this powerful business advertising type postcard sized card there. And so I feel the response rate is very good. Now, there's one reason why the response rate besides that special project. I mean, just any time of the year without having a holiday to help you. I want you to really, really think about this. This is the only program I've seen out there that gives you anything for free. It's a free starter kit. And when you go online, you watch that video, you sign up for that, you're signing up for a free video kit. Everything else makes you pay money on the spot, or you send in money through the direct mail system, or what have you. But this gives you a free kit, and people love free. Now, this also gets them excited because they know they're going to be mailing, some kind of mailing. They're going to be doing some kind of postcard advertising, something. Direct mail, there goes that word again, direct mail and postal mail. Postal mail does what? Direct mail. Well, so they're excited because now their free kit, it's not going to be in an email or anything else or on the website. They're going to get it in the mail, in the postal system, in the direct mail. So they're excited about that. Now, another point is that it's very economical to sign up to the Cash Club Fund program because it's only $100 to sign up. Anybody could afford that. You know, some of these programs start out at $200 or $500 or $250. A lot of people have a hard time coming up with that, but anybody can afford to join for $100. And I'm going to tell you what, even if nobody uses the autoresponder, this is a multi-level system. It's 3 levels down. And if you could imagine, if you did the math, you know, I'm doing 1,000 mailing. So, and I'm making a special postcard, not like this. And you'll see, I'll show you probably next week. They should arrive. I'll show you a picture. I made them custom. On the front, it's a whole bunch of money on the front. And on the back side are instructions. I tell them exactly what to do. Go to this website. Watch the video. Sign up for a free kit. When the free kit comes, go to your back office. Log in. Order leads. Order cards, etc. So I tell them instructions what to do because some of these people, they're opportunity seekers, opportunity buyers, but they're so new to this, that's why they're not making any money. So you have to walk them through it. So I'm having special cards made up that explains all the details, what exactly they need to do. So I'm going ahead and I'm going through with this project. We got 13 minutes left. I'm going to show you something. The skip lead, if you can watch my mouse, skip lead capture, that doesn't do the landing page. That's what I would use if I was still going to use an autoresponder, because you don't want them to have to sign up and then it goes click submit, and then they got to sign up to this one like this one. It's this one. See, there's the sign up thing. Now, let me show you this one. This is what I'm going to use. This postcards here, and that's the number of the special number that they're going to need, and it's on the postcard, and I'll show you that right quickly if I can before we run out of time. We're almost there. Now you can see we're on the opt-in landing page. Enter your personal access code. So they want your name, your email, and instead of a regular affiliate website that's attached to you, excuse me, that code goes right here when they sign up, and that's attached to you. So that's what kind of cards I'm going to use, but they're going to be the system, the cards. It's going to have a landing page, and that will capture their email through your back-end office. Just the emails will have to be manually put in there by hand. So that's all the time we have for today. I hope you really, really enjoyed this.